Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and I'm an interior designer from Weiken.com. Using one of my latest projects as reference, I will be sharing with you some design tips for your next renovation. This project is a 4-room HDB in Teban Gardens for a young couple. The design brief was to create a wide common living space, not only for their future children, but also for their dogs and cats. Scandinavian design with contemporary elements are the couple's preferred style and is used throughout the apartment. The wide living space is achieved by combining one of the bedrooms with the living room. So this effect of widened space is visible right upon entrance. And this wide space also facilitates interaction between all users in the living room, encouraging them to step out from their bedroom into the common space. So if space allows, try considering having a platform, as it can act not only as a storage but also as a gentle gesture to demarcate one space for another, allowing you to carve out spaces such as lounge or study area. And if you have pets at home, cabinets with terracing steps can function as both a storage and also play area for your pets to entertain themselves when you are away. Now, if the main color scheme is generally subtle, bathroom walls are one of the areas that you can consider being bold. In this project, we have used glossy fish scale tiles with Japanese patchwork patterns to contrast with its environment. As for yards, the yards in new HDB units generally do not come with new windows, so it's often a good idea to install for the safety of children and also preventing rain from coming in during thunderstorms. When it comes to kitchen, functionality will be the most important. Maximize storage if you have a lot of cookwares, and maximize the number of drawers for easier access to stored items. If you are looking for hobs with minimal maintenance, you may want to consider induction hob over gas hobs. At its flat top, it's much easier to clean. So all you have seen today are generated in 3D software. For the best immersion, you will be able to see your future home up close even before the construction stage, using the VR walkthrough that I will be preparing for you. 360 degrees images will also be available for you to view from your mobile phone or computer anytime you want to have a best understanding of the design. So if you're still looking for an interior designer, feel free to send me an inquiry to Weiken.com and I, Lucas, will be pleased to assist you.